Hello everyone. Happy January 26th. Today we celebrate spouses, peanut brittle, and the joy of love and sweetness. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Spouses Day. A heartfelt reminder to appreciate your partner. A great gift could be a romantic dinner, a personalized photo frame, or a love letter journal. How do you celebrate your spouse? Let's share in the comments. It's National Peanut Brittle Day. A crunchy candy classic. A thoughtful gift could be a brittle sampler, a candy-making kit, or a festive tin. Do you enjoy peanut brittle? Let's crunch the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's International Customs Day, honoring the work of customs officials worldwide. A sweet gift could be a travel journal, a globe ornament, or a donation to a global charity. How do you celebrate international connections? Let's reflect in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 26th to 31st. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.